Probability. Probability is a studies of chance. Which is calculating what possibility will happening in the future. So if that is the case, we need to find out that what is the game, the chances of different things happening, and this is called the sample space. Which is in language, normal language, human language, is meaning that the list of outcome. Which is actually what different chances you may have. For example, to toss a coin, we might be getting a head or a tail. And head and tail will be the listed outcome, which is what we might will be happening in the event, which we call what we have is toss a coin. There are different ways to represent deep sample space. So one of the things is the tree diagram. Say if we tossed a coin first time and second time. So the first time we can have head or tail, and then the second chance we will have head or tail regardless what happening in the before. And this is a tree diagram, keep rolling out of it. We might have different type of things as well. Say for example, a deck of cards which have 52 cards in a deck, or a dice which is a normal 6 faces dice. Alright? So, an event and probability happening with the event. Different event might have, which actually means the things which occurred, and the probability of an event, the general rule, the golden rule, will be number of favorable or corresponding events. So, number of corresponding outcome of the event over number of possible event, possible happening. So in other words, what we want over what might happening. And there is another word for you as well, the complement, which is E of complement of E is E dash, which is if it's not A, might be B. So if it's not a head, it must be a tail for a coin. And these all happening theoretically. Therefore, we call this theoretical probability. For example, let's have an example here. A deck of cards. And when we say that a deck of cards means the normal game card, all right? So we have 52 altogether. And we're supposed to have 4 houses, heart, diamond, this is clubs, and this is spades. Each of them got 13 of them, starting from A to 10, and then Jack, Queen, and King. This kind of knowledge required is already understood. We expect students understood those. So now I want the probability of a black card, which means that probability of a spade, this is a club and a spade, which is altogether 13 and 13, 26 over 52. Simplify it, we got 1 over 2. And that is the theoretical probability.